Hello guys, welcome back, and if I also new here, welcome to Gwegini channel. So as you already see in the title, today we'll be talking about international conference and exchange program that are fully founded in Europe, in Canada, in Japan. For example, this one is for Canada, and this one is for Japan. Okay, this one is Japan Summit, and there's another one for Global Business Symposium. This one is in Madrid. Okay, and the other one is HISA Youth Institute program. So we'll be talking about those programs. These are fully funded exchange and conferences that can help you and also improve your academic and extracurricular activities. So I will be talking about these activities, and also the benefit and the eligibility criteria, and also step by step on how to apply to this program. So I would like to welcome you here, and then invite you to stay until the end of this video so that you get all the information that you need to apply to this program and be part of this life-changing program. Okay.